Hi there, how you doing? This is Raymond Del Rosario, work with Raymond.com. I'm doing this video right now from the comfort of my home right now. And I'm doing this video because I want to talk to you about Wake Up Now, going out of business, and on bankruptcy. Pretty much, it's sad to say because I was part of this company. I left the company 45 days ago. It's sad to say because as a member that I was in Wake Up Now, I know how it feels for you to lose a company. When I heard this yesterday, it was hard because I was planning on building Wake Up Now, but I was building something different. So now it's hard because I was part of this company, and I've noticed a lot of marketers out there are doing videos and they're doing, they're blogging about this and stuff, but they were not part of Wake Up Now. So they don't know how it feels to be a member of Wake Up Now. And know what was inside Wake Up Now. I know what was inside Wake Up Now. I know what the company. I know the leaders that were in it and how hard they worked to get to where they want to be. Now, this is the thing about choosing a business opportunity. You want to make sure that the company has consumable products that you could sell in retail, or to not consumable products, but products that you could build a customer line, or you have lots of customers where you could produce a lot of sales. Now, the problem what I was seeing was that Wake Up Now had a lot of members coming in, but they weren't getting volume. The volume was very low. They weren't paying enough to their members when it comes to selling a product. Like, let's say they have a protein shake. I go and sell this protein shake to someone who likes to go to the gym and likes to take proteins. They weren't paying me enough if I would sell that to that other person. They were, that was a problem that we were having. We weren't having enough consumable products. After September, after the event that they had back in September, after that, they started trying to build stuff. And it's not a bad thing. I just believe that they could have been other better things that they could have done to build the business and grow the company. As a company, it was a great company. I've actually wished all the leaders that were part of this company to have success in their next venture. And one thing I will tell you right now, if you want to select the company, make sure you go to MLMrankings.com. You want to make sure you go to the statistics of the company's growth. I'll give you an example. Melaleuca, Monave, and Avon, all these companies are staying on top all the time because they have a lot of customers, and it's a consumable product. They have a ton of products that they could share with the world, So if you have something, your company has something that's unique and is consumable, work towards that. Build a large customer base and build your team. Don't get me wrong, but there's companies out there that only rely on members, bringing them in, and then what they don't have is a product. They don't have a product that could be sold in retail. They only have members, and you have to be a member in order for you to make money. There's companies out there that don't have that do have this stuff, and they're having success, but the growth is not there. They have a lot of sales, but they don't have a lot of members. But when that's a problem right there. Because you want to balance both out. You want to have a lot of members and a lot of sales in your business, and you don't want to be making sales only to members that are in the company. You want to be making sales to people who need the product. They probably don't want to be doing the business. They just want to be. They don't want to be doing the business. They just want to do the product. They want to have the product. So you want to make sure that your company has that. One thing I will tell you right now is I've joined a company. Pretty much 45 days ago, I joined a company that actually is helping me, and I'm growing a lot in this company, and it's very affordable, and it makes a lot more money than 10 times a lot than more other companies out there. But my thing for making this video is not to get you to join me in my business. My thing is for me to tell you what I feel, my thoughts of it. There's other marketers out there that are doing videos and blogging about Wake Up Now going on bankrupt. It's going viral right now. Even my wife, that probably never heard about Wake Up Now, says something. She saw it on Facebook. Can you imagine that? So me personally, I know how it feels because I was in the company and I've seen leaders leave. I know what the products were about, and it was great. It was amazing products. Like I said, my intentions on doing this video is not to bash Wake Up Now. I just believe that the company had more potential of being number one and being on top of every company. The only problem is that they had too many affiliates affiliated with them And these affiliates, they weren't making enough. So that's why they decided to come with physical products afterwards. But the physical products weren't not producing as much for the company, you know. So that's kind of what my insights on Wake Up Now being on bankruptcy and going out of business, right? So this is Raymond Rosario, workwithraymond.com. Make sure you go and click the link below this video. That way you can go to my blog and read more about this, all right? Have a great day. Bye-bye.